So tonight I'm trying chicken tacos. I made some yellow rice. This is full chicken. I made it in the air fryer. And I'm using the taco kits. Comes with everything, the sauce and all that kind of stuff in the inside. So I just had to heat up the shells. And I'm going to put some of the ingredients from here on the chicken, but not all of it, because I don't know if it's going to taste right. So we're going to give it a try, and we're going to see if it's, good or not. So I'm putting the sauce that came in the taco kit on some of the rice, and I'm hoping that make it taste like taco. But I'm going to leave this portion regular just in case it don't taste right. If you're wondering where's my cheese, I don't eat cheese. The chicken is smoked chicken, so it tastes real good, and the rice is Spanish yellow rice. Okay, so while that's heating up, I'm just putting some of my chicken in there. So this is kind of like be the taster. So this don't taste right, I'm going a different route. I'm not going to put all of the meat in, so if it don't taste right, I can go a different route. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water, because that powder sauce is really strong. Recipes from. I picked this up at the thrift store. This one I got from 5 and Below. Tacos. So, y'all really know I can't cook. This is not made up. So, since I burnt up my tacos, I decided to de-stress by checking on my content creation schedule, and I ordered me some pizza. Okay, so I clearly lost that round, but Domino's is here to rescue me. So, pizza it is. Thank you, Domino's, to the rescue. This is where I'm in today's vlog. I'm going to eat my pizza, and I will see y'all tomorrow.